Welcome to Clover Cure, where we explore the incredible world of natural remedies. Today, we're diving into a refreshing topic that might just change the way you think about your salad staple, cucumbers. While most of us know cucumbers as a crunchy, hydrating snack, they offer a treasure trove of lesser-known health benefits that can enhance your well-being in surprising ways. Did you know that cucumber slices can help reduce inflammation, soothe sunburns, and even promote healthy skin? Packed with vitamins and minerals, cucumbers are not just a low-calorie food. They are also a powerhouse of hydration, thanks to their high water content. This makes them an excellent choice for detoxifying your body and keeping your skin looking radiant. In a world where we often seek quick fixes for common health issues, simple home remedies like cucumber slices can be incredibly effective. Whether you're looking to alleviate puffiness around your eyes or simply want to add a nutritious element to your diet, cucumbers are versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, grab a cucumber and join us as we uncover more about its amazing health benefits. You'll be surprised at how this humble vegetable can play a significant role in your journey toward better health. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and delicious ways to enjoy cucumbers in your everyday life. Cucumbers are not just a refreshing addition to your meals. They are also packed with essential nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. One of the standout features of cucumbers is their impressive water content, making up about 95% of their weight. This high hydration level is perfect for keeping you refreshed and supporting your body's overall hydration needs. When it comes to vitamins, cucumbers are a great source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. They also contain vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and promotes healthy skin. Additionally, cucumbers provide small amounts of B vitamins, including B1, B5, and B7, which are vital for energy production and metabolic processes. In terms of minerals, cucumbers are rich in potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and proper muscle function. They also contain magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function, as well as calcium for strong bones. What makes cucumbers even more appealing is their low-calorie nature. With only about 16 calories per cup, they are an excellent choice for a healthy snack or a crunchy addition to salads. This makes them perfect for those looking to manage their weight while still enjoying delicious and nutritious foods. So, whether you enjoy them raw, pickled, or blended into smoothies, cucumbers are a fantastic way to nourish your body without the extra calories. When it comes to staying hydrated, cucumbers are a superstar in the vegetable world. Comprising about 95% water, cucumbers are one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. This high water content not only quenches your thirst, but also helps maintain optimal hydration levels in your body, which is essential for overall health. Proper hydration plays a vital role in supporting numerous bodily functions. It aids in digestion, helps regulate body temperature, and ensures that nutrients are efficiently transported throughout your system. Staying hydrated can also improve your energy levels, enhance cognitive function, and promote healthy skin. When your body is well hydrated, you're less likely to experience fatigue, headaches, or even mood swings. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your hydration. Whether you enjoy them sliced in salads, blended into smoothies, or simply as a crunchy snack, cucumbers can help you meet your daily hydration needs. They are especially beneficial during hot summer months or after a workout, as they provide a refreshing way to replenish lost fluids. So, the next time you're looking for a hydrating snack, reach for a cucumber. Not only will you enjoy its crisp texture and mild flavor, but you'll also be doing your body a favor by supporting its hydration needs. Make cucumbers a staple in your diet, and watch how they contribute to your overall health and well-being. Cucumbers are a fantastic ally in your skincare routine. Known for their soothing and hydrating properties, cucumber slices can work wonders for your skin. The high water content in cucumbers helps to keep your skin moisturized, making it look plump and radiant. When applied topically, they can provide instant relief from dryness and irritation, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. One of the most popular benefits of cucumbers is their ability to reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. The cooling effect of cucumber slices can help constrict blood vessels, which in turn reduces swelling and inflammation. Simply place chilled cucumber slices over your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you'll notice a significant difference in how bright and awake you look. For those looking to incorporate cucumbers into their beauty routines, there are several simple DIY remedies you can try. For a hydrating face mask, blend cucumber with yogurt and apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask not only hydrates but also soothes irritated skin. Another easy remedy is to create a cucumber toner by blending cucumber juice with a few drops of lemon juice. This toner can help tighten pores and brighten your complexion. So, whether you're looking to hydrate, soothe, or refresh your skin, cucumbers are a natural and effective choice for enhancing your beauty routine. Cucumbers are not only a refreshing addition to your meals, but also a fantastic food for supporting digestive health. One of the key components that make cucumbers beneficial for digestion is their fiber content. While they may not be the highest in fiber compared to other vegetables, cucumbers still provide a good amount of soluble and insoluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in cucumbers helps to bulk up your stool, making it easier to pass through the intestines. This can significantly aid in preventing constipation. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you can promote regular bowel movements and ensure that your digestive tract functions smoothly. In addition to their fiber content, cucumbers are also high in water, which further supports digestion by keeping things moving in your gastrointestinal tract. Staying hydrated is essential for optimal digestion, and cucumbers can help you achieve that while adding a crunchy texture to your meals. To reap the digestive benefits of cucumbers, consider adding them to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. You can also enjoy them as a snack with hummus or yogurt dip. By making cucumbers a regular part of your diet, you'll not only enhance your meals, but also support your digestive health. So, grab a cucumber and start enjoying its benefits for a happier, healthier gut. When it comes to weight management, cucumbers are a fantastic food to include in your diet. One of their most appealing features is their low-calorie nature. With only about 16 calories per cup, cucumbers are an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle. Their high water content not only keeps you hydrated, but also helps you feel full without consuming a lot of calories. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals is easy. They can be sliced and added to salads, providing a refreshing crunch that enhances the overall flavor and texture. You can also toss them into smoothies for a hydrating boost, or use them as a base for a light and nutritious salad. The possibilities are endless. Cucumbers also make for a perfect snack option. Instead of reaching for high-calorie snacks like chips or cookies, consider munching on cucumber slices. They can be enjoyed plain, or you can pair them with healthy dips like hummus or tzatziki for added flavor. This simple swap not only helps you cut down on calories, but also increases your intake of vitamins and minerals. By replacing high-calorie snacks with cucumbers, you can satisfy your cravings while supporting your weight management goals. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack or a way to lighten up your meals, reach for cucumbers. They're a delicious and nutritious choice that can help you on your journey to better health. Incorporating cucumbers into your daily routine can be as simple as adding them to salads, enjoying them as a snack, or using them in refreshing smoothies. Their low-calorie nature makes them an ideal choice for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle while still enjoying delicious foods. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace cucumbers as a staple in your meals and snacks. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to engage with our channel. Please subscribe for more natural health tips, like this video, to show your support and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable content that promotes a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll explore more ways to enhance your well-being naturally.